Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin with safety and speed. Warm the engine 5 to 10 minutes so oil drains faster, then set parking brake and chock the rear wheels. Once done, jack the front and place solid jack stands under the subframe. Never rely on the jack. Remove the splash shield. Make sure you can reach the 15 mm oil drain plug and the oil filter. Position a drain pan, loosen the drain plug counterclockwise, break it free, and let the oil start flowing into the pan. After the oil drains a few minutes, remove the spin-on filter, turn it counterclockwise and expect a rush of residual oil, so keep the pan beneath. Once out, inspect the filter sealing surface and the oil pan magnet for metal flakes. Wipe both with a lint-free rag. Replace the drain plug crush washer, then reinstall and torque the plug to the manufacturer spec. Make sure all mating surfaces are clean before fitting the new filter. Lightly oil the new gasket. Now install the new filter hand-tight plus a quarter turn, then refill with 5W30 oil until roughly 6.0 quarts. Use a funnel to prevent spills. Once filled, start the engine for 30 to 60 seconds and watch under the car for leaks. Shut off, wait 2 to 3 minutes, then recheck the dipstick and top to the proper mark. If oil pressure light stays on or you find a leak, red-ighten the filter and plug. If persistent, shut down and inspect gasket seating and drain plug crush washer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.